Grapefruit. Greetings and good morning, beautiful viewers and subscribers. Yes, it's your girl DJ Dalvy outside. Yeah, just I take a little morning walk and thing. Yeah, so just I take a walk out in the morning here. I'm actually go do to I'm check out a little spot. Yeah, check out that little location where I can do a little camping, a little solo camping. So I check out a little area where I can do a solo camping. So let me know what you guys think about that. Yeah, it's been a while. I think about to do a solo camping up on the hilltop. Yeah. So this morning I wake up and say, let me check around the place and thing, and my spot some bamboo tree. So I think of getting some bamboos so I could have used make like a tent to do the camping, Yeah. So that I think, yeah. So I show around the place. I don't know maybe if I can grab some fruits in the morning, yeah. Also, yeah. See jackfruit upon tree, but me no smell none still. And me know apples there around the place, but I don't really see no black one yet still, but apple they both. So maybe can grab something in the morning or even a grapefruit, because grapefruit still the boat. So stay tuned and just follow me through this nature walk. Okay? Yeah. Alright, so basically this is how I go on, So this is one little bamboo road right here. Going closer and show you guys. Yeah. Okay, so we have some bamboo tree right here. So yeah, so basically what I think we could have get some bamboo and build up the tent for do the camp out and things. So I just find a nice spot on the hilltop here and get going. So I know when that it's still in about. Let's see it work out, because solo camping take a little time. But if you guys say yes, comment and let me know what you think and if me should proceed with that. So yeah, man, let me know what you guys think about a solo camp. Yeah, as me say, the bamboo them there here, could have make up the tent, but it'll take a little while still. But we love the adventure and things. So yeah, man. So comment, let me know what you think about that. Yeah, so y'all just stay tuned. I try grab some fruits, yeah, and go and chillax in the day and meditate, because I not do no outdoor cooking today. I just dip on the hilltop and go and all the vibes. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So stay tuned, don't move a muscle. Do remember, like up the video. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Don't wait too long. Okay? It's free to subscribe. Drop. If I can get a grapefruit. Wonder if I can get a grapefruit to eat. Long time I eat grapefruit. Oh, so look at grapefruit and pick off. See one day. That one grapefruit. I get a stick, I pick it. But the amount of grapefruit I'm just see over there. I'll go on for them. Like you wanna come for them. Alright. Anyways, one grapefruit, I pick it, so stay tuned. So here's the grapefruit. Yeah, some get the grapefruit and now beautiful viewers and subscribers. So I've got to check in into my grapefruit. Yeah, so yeah man. I get down into the grapefruit and now hopefully it's sweet. Yeah. It's been a while since I haven't have grapefruit, so let's see what's up for this grapefruit. You want a piece of my grapefruit? Comment and let me know if you love grapefruit and let me know if you would like to have a piece of this grapefruit. Yes. They say a fruit a day keep the doctor away, so me I go eat my grapefruit. And remember, if you don't like the video as yet, go ahead and like the video. So getting down into this grapefruit, stay tuned. Yes, so your girl outside in nature want to get down into this grapefruit. No knife, so this is how you do it without knife. Punch a hole, yeah, and just peel, just like how you don't peel a tangerine. Oops, punch it already. Mosquito in the bush, you know. Mosquito them a kiss. Finally, so time to check in and see what I got for the grapefruit. Alright, so let's give this a try. Give it a try. Grapefruit, yeah. So alright, so this is here when I can get that big. As you guys can see, the grapefruit sweet. You guys know I'm a fruits person. I love fruits. I don't know no fruits right about now when I no eat. But this is really refreshing though. Refreshing. So might kinda dry out still. Inside kinda dry. Some part, not alright. But it definitely sweet. This is real country lifestyle living. Yeah. Walk out and just get fruit to eat. And they also said grapefruit open your appetite. Make you eat food. And I'm enough. Make grapefruit, you're hungry. Was a grapefruit make you hungry? Open up your appetite. So if you have appetite problem, hold on. If you have appetite issue, just get a grapefruit and eat. Yeah, man. Yeah, I just damage a grapefruit. And now I can check out a area what more I want to do, the solar campaign. But more you guys to tell me if or no would I love to see something like that. So yeah, comment and let me know. Check out the view. Yeah, so I have a nice mountain view right here. Yeah, see the sun coming through the bushes. Yeah. So right about now, I just check out an area where I can camp out. Stay tuned. So I'm on my way up the hill right about now. I go further up the hill and check out a location. Yeah. If me not do it, if me not find a place up the hill, I just come back down the hill and find somewhere nearby the house. Cause me not want to go too far out. You know, a solo camping, so I have to be careful. So I check in on a little location. I know it can possible do the camping. Actually, I'm not going to go all the way up the hill again, because I kind of discover a little area right close by to the house. Yeah, so I think I'm going to work with. I just have to bush it out, get it the area clear. So I'm sure now what I go on. So somewhere yeah, so I can do it. Maybe further down from them coconut tree, but yeah, somewhere after so. Yeah, man, must can find one little spot somewhere after so. Yeah, so the sun will come up nicely. Yeah, actually the coconut tree start bear coconuts. Coconut tree start bear now. So I have jelly for drink. Alright, so let me check out. Go on here and check. Check out what I go on here. The unplanting. That look like a fool. Philip Yam Peel. yellow yam them we did plant. This one clean out still. Apple there. Apple are coming in now. Yeah, but apple already. Young apple, no? Young apple. Yeah, man. Bird, them are going to have a little feast. But check in some can do. The solar camping somewhere around here, so. Just need to bush out down there, so clean it out and get down to business. Alright, so I kinda discover a little area where we can do the camp out. Yeah, remember, I want you guys to comment and let me know if that is something that you guys will be interested in. Yeah, so I plan out the solar camping. So comment and let me know what you guys think about the plan. Yeah, man. Yes, so I got just there. Oh, this grapefruit something. Alright, so I go just there on the hillside, go on all a meditation and rest up myself because tomorrow I have a music video for shoot. So I do not much to them. Maybe go down by the river and all a meditation, plan out some things. So you guys go ahead and like the video, and do remember, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys would love to see the camping video, the solo camping here. Yeah, man, up on the hilltop, yeah. So that. So big up y'all self.